Assalamu alaikum. This is Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Professor, Greenfield School and College, Mirpur, Dhaka. The students of class 10 English version, how are you? I hope you are well and safe also. Today is chapter 11, one creative question, most important creative question. And my previous lecture I had given a important creative question and some A and B non question, and today is chapter 11 and lecture 2. Okay, chapter 11, the figure show and in the stem. Please see the figure P and figure Q. Okay, here 1 and 2 both plant is same. Okay, first question is, what is fetus? Okay, what is fetus? The embryo of about 8 weeks in the uterus is called fetus. The embryo or fetus develop in the uterus for 38 to 50 weeks. Okay, the embryo of about 8 weeks in the uterus is called fetus. The embryo of fetus development in the uterus for 38 to 50. So 8 weeks means about 2 months. Okay, 2 months, 8 weeks. Then go to what is reproduction. Reproduction is such a physiological activity through which organisms continue the existence of their offspring by producing their replicas. Okay, তার নিজের প্রজন্ম রেখে যেতে চায়. The process through which organism produce their offspring is called reproduction. শেষেরটুকু দিলেও তোমার হবে. ওকে, the process through which organism produce their offspring is called reproduction. Then go to B nong question. What do you mean by corn? Corn means শস্য. Okay, at the time of double fertilization, one of the male gametes meeting with the egg causes the emergence of a zygote. Okay, zygote. Then another male gamete mixing with the secondary nuclei develop triploid endosperm cell. Okay, this is called endosperm or corn. The cells in an endosperm are triploid. That means the process 3 sets of chromosome. Here double nucleus or secondary nucleus. Okay, secondary nucleus already twice n, and male gamete is n, so they fuse together and produce thrice n. At maturity, the ovule with the endosperm and embryo turns into a seed. Okay, this is. Then go to C. Describe the stages of the development of the floral component that is transferred from flower to flower by the process Q. Okay, describe the stages of development. ঠিক আছে, stages of development of the floral component that is transferred from flower to flower. Here flower to flower transferred pollen. Okay, pollen. And here you will write the pollen development. Okay, different stages of the development of male gametophyte. You will write this. The process, first one, please saw the figure. Here is one pollen. This is outer layer is exine, and exine means outer layer is spiny, and this is intine. Okay, inner layer. Then develop 2 nucleus, generative nucleus and tube nucleus. Okay, large is known as tube nucleus and small is known as generative nucleus. Okay, here mitotic division is occurs, and pollen tube nucleus is first, and then generative nucleus transform into 2, and ultimately here male gametes is number 2. Okay, male gamete is nong of 2. Please see that here 1 and 2. Okay, here male gamete is 2 from, and tube nucleus is here. Tube nucleus is first in the pollen tube. This is known as pollen tube. From the pollen, tube-like structure is developed that is known as pollen tube. Here this is pollen tube and this is pollen tube. Okay, this is the different stages of development of male gametophyte. Okay, in your textbook page 235, okay, this figure is, you draw figure and label the figure and describe it. Okay, the process Q of the stem is cross pollination, the floral component that is transferred from flower to flower. Okay, আমি আগেই বলেছি flower to flower is pollen, by cross pollination is pollen, development of pollen or microsporogenesis. This development of male gametophyte, another name is microsporogenesis. Okay, a pollen is the first cell of a gametophyte. Pollen mother cell twice and produce 4 pollen. Okay, 4 pollen by meiosis. Soon after becoming matured, harboring in the pollen sac started to germinate. Okay, the nucleus of the pollen gets divided through mitotic division. Okay, after then mitotic division is occurs and 2 cells, one large and another small, formed. The large one is called the tube cell or tube nucleus and the small one is called the generative cell. Okay, this is large one is tube nucleus and small one is generative nucleus. Okay, then the tube cell turns into the pollen tube and 2 male gametes are produced. Ultimately 2 male gametes are produced. Division of the generative cell takes place in the pollen or pollen tube. Okay, this is the different stages of the development of male gametophyte. Okay, in your textbook 235 page also. Then go to Nong D. Explain the importance of P and Q process in nature. Explain the importance of P and Q process. P and Q. P and Q process of the stem is self-pollination. Here P occurs to flower in a plant. Okay, so this is self-pollination. Okay, and 2 same species but 2 different plant and 2 flowers occurs pollination is cross pollination. Okay, by the help of barrier. P and Q process of the stem is self-pollination and cross-pollination respectively. Pollination is a precondition for the development of key, fruits and seeds. The transfer of pollen from the anther to the stigma of the same flower or to the stigma of another plant of the same species is pollination. Pollination is of 2 types, self-pollination and cross-pollination. Then go to importance of self-pollination. On the same flower or on 2 flowers of the same plant, transfer of pollen can occur. This is called self-pollination. For example, in your book Brassica, cucumber and Dhutora usually pollinated through this way. Wastage of pollen is less. Okay, the process is not dependent on a carrier and the occurrence of pollination is ensured. Okay, this is the benefit of self-pollination. Okay, the plant that develops in this way cannot make changes to their characters and so the features of the species can be maintained. This way a species can maintain purity. Importance of cross-pollination. When the attachment of pollen occurs in between 2 distinct flowers of the same species, it is called cross-pollination, such as in your book cotton tree, papaya. Okay, pollinated this way. New characters emerge through cross-pollination. Self-pollination কিন্তু তুমি কোনো new character পাবে না. Cross-pollination is through cross-pollination. The rate of germination goes up and much more vigorous seeds are produced through this way of pollination. Okay, new characters 1 and the rate of germination goes up. Rate of germination rate বেড়ে যায় and much more vigorous seeds are produced through this way of pollination. As the pollination occurs in between two different plants, the seed production this way is born with new characteristics. The plant which grows from that seed also has new characteristics. This is why new varieties of those plants emerge. Okay, so this is the question of all board 2018. ওকে, তোমরা জানো যে 2018 সালে সব সেম কোশ্চেনে পরীক্ষা হয়েছিল, তাহলে দিস ইজ দ্য কোশ্চেন অফ 2018 অ্যান্ড দিস ইজ ইম্পর্টেন্ট কোশ্চেন ফর ইউ. ওকে, দেন গো টু some important question for A and B. Okay, A and B. See you. Explain first one. Okay, first one, explain the use of pheromone to control the harmful insect. This question is number 2. Okay, explain the use of pheromone used to the control. Okay, explain the use of pheromone to control the harmful insects. Pheromone is a hormone, okay, which is used to control the harmful insects. Because the pheromone harmful insects are trapped and sink in water. Okay, insects are attracted to the pheromone from 2 to 4 kilometer. Okay, can you imagine 2 to 4 kilometer distance? Okay, pheromone is a hormone and insects are attached, sink with water. Harmful insects are trapped and sink in water. Pheromone from 2 to 4 kilometer distance. This process is very environmental friendly to control the harmful insects. Okay, at present this process is very much helpful. Okay, because of very much helpful friendly to control the harmful insects. Then go to what is inflorescence. Inflorescence means pushpo manjuri. Okay, cluster of flower like as Rajanigandha, gladiolus. Okay, you know the flowers very well. Okay, clusters of flower arranged in a branch. Clusters means onek. Clusters of flower arranged in a branch of a tree is called inflorescence. Okay, this is known as inflorescence. This question is for 1 nong question. Okay, then go to what is asexual reproduction. Sexual and asexual, 2 type of reproduction. Okay, then my question is what is asexual reproduction. 1 nong question. If any organism creates offspring without formation of male and female gamete. Okay, without formation of male and female gamete, then it is called asexual reproduction, such as your leaf. Okay, then asexual reproduction, breakdown, etc. etc. Then go to what is pollination. You have already known that what is pollination. Pollination is the transfer of pollen from the anther to the stigma. Okay, anther to the stigma, transfer of pollen from the anther to the stigma of the same flower or to the stigma of another plant belonging to the same species. Okay, this is known as pollination. This is the question of A nong question. Then go to pollination. What is entomophilic flower? Okay, what is entomophilic flower? No. Oh, why Oryza sativa is air pollinated? Explain. Why Oryza sativa? 2 nong question. Okay, why Oryza sativa? Oryza sativa means paddy, dhan. Okay, in most cases a medium accomplishes the transfer of pollen. The carrier which carries pollen is called the pollen carrier. Air is one of the medium of pollination. Okay, you know air is one of the medium of pollination. Air pollinated flowers has no fragrance are lightweight and can easily wander in the air. Okay, their stigmas are branches and sticky. As Oryza sativa completed every condition, it is an air pollinated flower. Okay, so the Oryza sativa is air pollinated flower. Then go to what is entomophilic flower. Entomophilic means big flower with colored nectar secreting glands that are pollinated by insect are called entomophilic flower. Okay, entomophilic flower. This is another important question for number 1. Okay, then go to what do you mean by double fertilization? Double fertilization already I have told you. Okay, the two fusions, mixing of male gamete with an egg and mixing of another male gamete with secondary nuclei, take place at about the same time. This phenomenon is called double fertilization. Okay, through pollination, the mature pollen lands on stigma of a carpel. The pollen tube grows and penetrates the style and enters the embryo. Okay, it ejects two male gametes into the embryo sac. One of them fused with egg and the other fuses with the secondary nuclei. This simultaneous fusion of all these cells are called double fertilization. Okay, this is another important question. Then go to one question, what is called syncarpus? Syncarpus. Okay, when a gynoecium is found with many more carpels with the completely merged with each other, then it is called syncarpus. Gynoecium, endoecium, gynoecium. Okay, gynoecium is formed with many more carpels. ওকে, যখন গর্ভপত্রের অনেকগুলো অংশ থাকবে, হ্যাঁ, উইথ মোর কার্পালস উইচ আর কমপ্লিটলি মার্জ উইথ ইচ আদার, দেন ইট ইজ কল্ড syncarpus. Okay, it is another important term, syncarpus. Then go to what is postulated hormone. Postulated hormone is very important. Postulated hormone. What is postulated hormone? Postulated hormone is the kind of hormone that is found in plants. Okay, and it is also control the some important functions of plants, such as postulated flowering. Okay, it is the development or new also, and it is main function, its main function is from the flowering sector. Okay, this is the some important question from this chapter, and next lecture will be held chapter 11 MCQ. Okay, 11 MCQ. What do you mean by implantation? This is another important question. Okay, postulated hormone, then implantation. Implantation means for the development of next stage of blastocyte, the embryo has to be embedded in the inner wall of the uterus, so the blastocyst becomes embedded with the urine wall. Okay, urine ওয়ালের সাথে সংযুক্ত হওয়াটাই হচ্ছে implantation. This process is called implantation. Embedded in the uterus, the embryo goes and turns into a human body. Okay, this is the important question from chapter 11. So, still then, Allah Hafiz. See you later.